Here's how to add music to your YouTube video. First, you want to get to YouTube Studio. In the upper right-hand corner, you're going to add, or not add, you're going to click on Account, and then you're going to go down to YouTube Studio. I'm already in there, so on the left-hand side, I want to get to my content. In my content, I'm going to see all my videos. So I'm going to click on one of my videos to edit that video and all the details. Click on Editor. We can actually add audio. And so there's this whole audio section here. If we click the plus icon, and YouTube has an entire audio library. Now, if you're trying to not edit a video that's currently uploaded to your channel, you can actually download these songs as well and just put them in your video. Different licenses for these songs. Most of them, though, no attribution required, which means you don't have to say where it came from. And also, you can include it in videos you monetize. You can play the track to preview it before you actually put it into your video. And then you can click the plus icon to add that song in. So you can see the song here. I can grab the handles of the edge of the song and kind of tweak exactly where the song is and how much of it is going to play. And I can also click on the three dots right here to change the mix level. So obviously the song might be too loud for your video, like people talking. So you can drop that volume down and tweak it, and you can preview your video up here. Now, how do you know what to look for in here? I mean, there's so many things you can search for. You can click on this to search and filter. You can say, I want to filter by attribution not required, so I don't want to have to worry about any licensing issues. And then you can also say, pick a genre, or pick a mood, pick a beats per minute, so how fast the song is, even the duration, and you can kind of drill down until you find the perfect tracks. But if you back out to your studio, there's the audio library down here. This is where all the tracks come from. And so you can also search for specific tracks. This audio library might let you find those tracks a little bit quicker. You can preview things, and also this is where you can actually download the tracks if you need to. So you can download music on YouTube, but that's how you can add songs to your video. Now, I want to show you that when you do customize your content and when you are editing your content. So if we go back to the editor, we're going to go in here and we're going to add a song really quickly. And anything you do in the editor, YouTube reprocesses your video, but we can click save. And then after the edit is applied, they'll update any visibility or monetization restrictions that are new from that update. So they're going to reprocess this thing. You say, I acknowledge, and confirm changes. By the way, these changes are permanent. You don't get to come back in here and remove the song. It's going to be baked into your video. We can go check on that progress here on our content page. We can refresh the page, and it's got a few minutes left. It's also checking all the copyright, monetization, all that kind of stuff as well. That's how you can add music to your YouTube video. Like this video if it helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.